Welcome there, YouTube. So I decided to do this video for a couple different reasons. In case you haven't heard, in late September, there was a fatal accident on a coaster in Mexico. The coaster's name is Quimera or Quimera. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it, but it is a triple looping Schwarzkoph coaster, and it is very, very similar to the Mindbender coaster that's in West Edmonton in Canada. Ironically, there was a very similar fatal accident at the West Edmonton Mall on the Mindbender coaster. So the coaster that had the fatal accident in Mexico used to operate at a couple different places, but I rode this coaster in 2002 on the ACE European Coaster Odyssey trip while it was at Flamingo Land, and it was named Magnum Force at the time. So it is unfortunate that this coaster took the lives of people. I don't know what's going to happen to the park. I don't know what's going to happen to the coaster, but here is a POV of the coaster in action. Thanks for watching.
On what?
On Magnum Force. It's like a combination of Magnum and Millennium Force.
Here we go. Magnum Force. At
Woo! Yeah! Magnum Force. I feel like I'm in Germany right now. Olympia looping on. So dry. Woo! There's cows to the left of us. Oh, cows. Hold on, Joe. Here we go. Whoa! Holy crap! Are you kidding me? That would never run like that on the stage. Oh my god, that was insane. Woo! Woohoo! Schwarzkoph owns life.
Look, dude.
What is that?
Wooden coaster cars.
Wow. What an awesome freaking ride.
That is powerful.
I just dropped my phone on the way to that. Oh.